I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there any...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. For those of you who are new, for today's video, I am starting to bring out some Christmas content for you guys. I would love to decorate my whole house, but the Grinch, aka my hubby, doesn't want me to skip over Thanksgiving. So I'm just going to share how I decorate or plan on decorating my entryway table and just give you guys some ideas as well. I really hope that you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. So before we get into the decorating, I quickly wanted to show you guys these little houses here. I've had them for, I think, maybe 2 years, and I just wanted to give them a quick little makeover. I know normally everyone uses like the white ceramic houses to decorate, but I thought it would be a fun idea to paint them the color that I was going for this year, like the color scheme. So these are the colors that I'm using. I kind of just used all three and mixed them together to make different colors. And this is the brush that I had on hand. So this was a pretty easy DIY. I even had my daughter help me.
All day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you.
I did want to mention that this video is in collab with my good friend Frances. Her YouTube channel is Franny Cam. She is also giving you guys Christmas inspo, so make sure you head on over to her channel. Once you're done watching mine, I will leave her video down in the description box below, and make sure you let her know that I sent you.
Little bear toys that cuddle and woo. Dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too.
All right, so now that we're done painting the houses, we are going to start decorating. I had this mirror in my bathroom and I just moved it over here. I always do that. I like to shop my house and just move things around. You guys know that I do that all the time. But I did want to give it a quick wipe down because it was dirty.
Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming.
We're going to start off by adding this dough bowl. I've had this for a really long time. I got mine off of Etsy, but you can get it anywhere now. And we are going to start off by adding these branches that I got from Michael's. And I'm just going to lay them down. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and add the houses.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
I'm just showing you guys right here that I added the really tall nutcracker. I wasn't sure if I should go for the tall one or just leave the smaller one that you guys saw earlier. But anyhow, this is just the first look that I came up with.
I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk.
So moving on to the second look, I really wanted to incorporate this garland here. It is not Christmas related. It's something that Hobby Lobby has all year round, but I did want to give you guys some ideas and show you that, you know, your garlands don't really have to be Christmas related. You can really use whatever you have and make it work for your space. I actually really like the way this garland looks, and it goes perfect with the Christmas decorations that I'm about to place on the table.
Follow the moonlight till we reach a place we could stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away.
So this wooden house is from Anthropologie. They come in 3 sizes. I did purchase all 3 of them. They are actually candles and I love them. I'll go ahead and link them down below for you guys.
We're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
This little Christmas tree is from Joann's. It has that real touch texture to it as well, which you guys know that I love. And this is the other Anthropologie house that I was talking about earlier.
A moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love.
So for the very last look, I didn't do anything too different. The only thing I did was remove the Christmas tree and added this sign that's from Etsy. I will link it down below. I moved the little wooden house to the other side and then added a bell that I purchased from Target.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch. I hope that you enjoyed it and got some type of Christmas inspo or some ideas to decorate your house. Don't forget to check out Frances's channel. I will leave her video down below. And I guess I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye!